Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Bayou Amateurs. Today we're at D&D range. We got the 500-yard range that we're at now, and then the pistol range on the other side. We got a sight in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rifles today. So we're gonna take y'all through that. As always, got my buddy John with me. Y'all seen him on the channel before. Y'all never seen him. This is Harley. A little bit of background about yourself, Harley.
Man, just firearms enthusiast, collector. You know.
That's Harley.
That's it.
And as always on the camera, we got Rhett. Show yourself, Rhett.
I'm
Oh,
fast.
come on, man.
I'm fast.
Show your little curly
I'm
cute
fast
hair.
now.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're just gonna sight in a few rifles, and then we're gonna do a little bit of fundamental work on our pistol skills, and we're gonna see how it goes. So, John, tell us about the first rifle.
So this is my AR-15. I just got a thermal scope. Try to do some night hunting. Gonna probably get a bigger caliber later on, but for now, more rounds the better.
What kind of scope is it?
It's a AGM Radler V2. It's the 384 and 25 millimeter.
God, that percussion on the thing is dope. God, that percussion on the thing is dope.
I thought it hit somewhere up there.
Okay. Okay, well,
So, what
that
happened?
means I need to shoot the bottom one because it looks like I missed the whole damn target.
You heard it from him.
Alright, I didn't see dirt fly.
I think you're a little bit left of the bottom target.
John's second shot. Aiming, I think he was aiming for the bottom of cardboard right there.
That was
I
impact.
heard it. Right dead center.
Alright, Harley, you're up. Sighting in your what?
Well, it's a pretty much a Frankenstein. It's a I think it's a Territorial Gunsmith lower, VCM upper, 14.5, and I got a Sig Sauer. I'm not sure on the model, but it's a Sig Sauer 1-6.
Gotcha.
Anything? All right, here we go.
God have mercy.
Sending it. Jesus Christ.
Alright, all we're gonna do for this one is confirm 0. This is my Tikka 270 with a Nikon. I think it's 3x9x50. So we're just gonna confirm at 200 real quick. I sighted it in last year and I didn't touch it. So.
Hit.
Like you hit left shoulder.
Hit.
Ooh, I saw it fly, but it was a miss. You serious?
Oh yeah.
What the fuck's wrong with your shoulder?
You never shot a 270?
Yeah, I shot a 2.7. I shot a 30-06.
A 30-06 ain't got shit on a 270.
I should have brought my rifle. My bad, I forgot to press record.
I think you. Hit center.
intricacy of this gun is crazy.
Wait, say that again?
I took everything apart.
Yeah.
Last night, and I cleaned it, and I put it back together, and bro, just how it goes together.
Oh, it's insane, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Because of how old the technology
Yeah,
is.
that's got to be at least like, what, a 90s or an 80s model?
It don't even matter. That design was fucking
Oh, yeah.
18 something. Way to the right, underneath the line.
I see it.
Put a bottle.
A little high.
Oh yeah.
Yep, you're good,
Yep.
man.
Left of the circle.
So Paul, if you're watching this, I sighted your gun in again. So,
Another one. Can't make no excuses.
yep. Just like always.
Hello?
What the fuck was that?
I thought I was tripping.
My thing was ringing. Yeah, just like always, Marlin model 336, chambered in 30-30 with the quick up-down scope. So if you're close and you want to use your arms, you'll be able to see it. So very, very quick. I like this one.
Run down to that gun. What you think about it?
Alright,
That's smooth.
I think y'all hit it.
Oh, man. I need one.
This one and use that one and we're done with this.
No bayonet.
Nice.
All right, Harley.
Those flat-bladed tri-lugs. Oh, dude.
For those that don't know what this is exactly.
It's a 1942 Russian Mosin Nagant from World War II.
And what caliber does it shoot?
It's 7.62 by 54, I think. Good God.
Sounds of World War II.
Oh!
And then just drive it forward. Yep.
We'll do that in a hurry while somebody's aiming down their barrel.
And look,
Yep.
get hung up like that.
Now, when you go to pull the trigger, it's gonna like give way first. It's a horrible trigger pull. It's gonna give way, and then you're gonna hit wall, and you'll feel it when you hit the wall.
You try to. Jesus.
Oh yeah, it's just straight metal stock.
No, it's like short. I feel like I'm
Yeah, it's
like
very
really
short, like
on the
bull.
gun. Dang, where am I hitting?
Hell, go for 150.
Did you hit the fucking thing?
God damn.
Oh yeah. She's clunky.
Yeah. Loose.
I didn't see that one.
Yeah, there you go. In there like that groove.
Yeah.
And you just push in, and it seats in. Yep, just like that. Just push them in. I really need to get me some stripper clips so I can just.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Just
Do
like that.
I'll do two
There's no
this way,
safe either.
and I'll do 3 for your TikTok.
There's no safety, huh?
Nope.
Go for the 100 first.
All the way up.
It's hard.
I can tell.
Oh, you are close.
last one.
Let's see. Austin's gone. Full World War II right now.
That's it.
Well,
A glorious piece
Of history,
of
dude.
history.
Oh yeah, dude. I love it. It's probably my favorite gun in my collection.
Some poor fucker probably died in a
yeah.
battlefield like this.
Some poor farmer just laying there. Just take it. Like, what? Suka blitz. He does not need it anymore. It's mine now. It's fucking dead.
can we see the markings on it first?
Yeah, look.
Where's the paper?
It looked like fun.
42.
Ooh.
You got the hammer and sickle.
Okay.
Oh yeah, dude. This is an original Mosin Nagant.
What rifle you got there?
Remington 700 SPS with a Vortex Diamondback Tactical. It's a, let's see, a 4-12 zoom. Live. Right in the center. Whoa!
Oh, we are in
Yes!
thing was like bulged out like a suitcase.
A little bit to the right.
All right, John, look back at me and tell me what you have.
This is a Winchester. I don't even remember what it is. XPR. It's a 350 Legend. Kind of a newer round. Probably about 5 years, I think now. Winchester came out with. Decided to give it a shot.
Just stay for like
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Hit. Center mass.
That is
Impact.
last one.
Alright, good.